Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, July 10th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So the pound yen definitely did turn down. Really, all the yen pairs turned down yesterday and gave us a break of structure on the 1 hour time frame. But because the daily, weekly, and monthly are all still up, I am definitely looking at anything I see to the downside is likely just a pullback to the uptrend. I think this is probably very likely going to end up doing something like this, making some sort of an ABC pullback, kind of like what happened over here, and then probably making another continuation pattern. So now that we are kind of drifting up a little bit right now, most likely in a wave B, I would put my Fibonacci retracement now like this. Because a wave B potentially should be a crescent to the wave A. So more than likely, this is going to make some sort of a pullback to a Fibonacci level, and then it's going to make another move to the downside. So having your Fibonacci retracement from here to here will help you identify the end of a wave B. Once the wave B is over and it starts going down, put your Fibonacci retracement back the way I had it the first time, because an ABC pullback should be a crescent to this wave up. But just keep in mind that the daily, weekly, and monthly are definitely up, so anything we see to the downside is almost definitely going to be a pullback to the uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.